Okay, got a lineup of green machines here like I've never seen in my life, and there used to be a Terex dealer in the Lower Mainland. It's Ferguson Supply way back when. This attracts on. I've never set foot in a yard that had this many dozers in it. All 8230s. Some of them still say Euclid on the front cover. They're all powered by the Detroit diesels, General Motors. I think they have the 8V70 ones in them. So this is enough to make some people pretty excited. It's probably enough to make other people just cry seeing them sitting. And a daily driver. Looks like one's still in good order here.